Is shopping your favorite way to unwind from your busy life? Well, consider yourself forewarned and allow enough time to take it all in. You won't find a factory store vibe here. Only thoughtfully curated and carefully crafted home goods. Simple, beautiful, and functional. Made the Amish way. Crafting heirloom pieces by marrying timeless farmstead styles with eclectic hardwoods and modern touches, so you can create beautiful spaces with lasting comfort. Or unleash your imagination with a custom bespoke piece as a central element. And you DIYers will feel right at home with the softest cotton for heirloom quilting projects and weathered barn planks for the dining table you promised to build. With a curated collection of exquisite crafting and building materials awaiting your vision and expertise, Amish Country is truly a gift giver's paradise, where you're sure to find something for even the most cultivated people on your list. And don't forget to bring home the region's flavor of the season for your table. Even in the middle of summer, you have our permission to channel your inner Santa Claus. Need some inspiration to plan your stay? Go to visitamishcountry.com to check out our itineraries and see all that awaits you in Amish Country.